We don't know their names or faces, but we have glimpses of their lives at Avocado Post-Acute Care in El Cajon. Records show several seniors there have been abused by staff and by other residents. One older man fell 16 times in 1 year. At least 2 mentally impaired people escaped. More than 150 drug tablets belonging to a resident went missing. So did a man's dentures. Another man was abandoned midway through a diaper change and left exposed. And one resident's bed sores were left inappropriately treated.
To me, this screams problem.
Brian Lee, executive director of the Families for Better Care, says he's stunned by the breadth of the facility's problems. As of the first week of June, there were 37 complaints filed against Avocado this year with the California Department of Public Health, 6 times the statewide average. Over the previous 3 years, more than 400 complaints were filed against the facility, and 84 of those were substantiated by state inspectors. They found evidence of falsified records, abuse of residents by staff, inadequate staffing levels, and poor infection control. Avocado's problems worsened this spring. As of the first week of June, 137 residents and staff at Avocado have been stricken with COVID-19, by far the highest number for any nursing home in the county. Again, Lee.
I'd be concerned if I had a loved one in this facility. I'd be deeply concerned.
The San Diego County nursing home with the second highest number of cases as of the first week of June, 96 among residents and staff, is Country Hills Post-Acute, also in El Cajon. Like Avocado, complaints against Country Hills far exceed the statewide average for the last 2 years. The facility has been flagged for infection control, broken call lights for residents, and hiring workers with a history of abuse and neglect of residents. The inspectors also discovered the facility had no pest control plan to deal with mice and insects. Under a federal 5-star rating system, Avocado is rated as a 1-star facility. Country Hills has a 2-star rating. Neither responded to requests for comment from KPBS. Sacramento lawyer Wendy York, who sues senior care facilities on behalf of families, says the volume, types, and repeated complaints against both Avocado and Country Hills can only mean regulators are not doing their job.
We need to improve our government oversight of the facilities, and we need more transparency. There has to be accountability.
In an email, state health officials say they take every complaint and substantiated violation at nursing homes seriously, but they would not comment on, quote, any potential relation between a facility's compliance history and potential COVID-19 outbreaks. Deborah Pacina, Director of Public Affairs for the California Association of Healthcare Facilities, which represents nursing homes, says, quote, you can't draw a straight line between complaints and COVID-19 outbreaks. Experts say the extensive complaint history of Avocado and Country Hills ultimately means that residents aren't getting the care they need. Lee, of Families for Better Care, says it's time for regulators to threaten the nursing homes' bottom line.
They can cite them with fines. They can sanction them.
State and federal regulators have fined Avocado nearly $35,000 in recent years. The state has fined Country Hills $17,000. Amita, Sharma, KPBS News.